Hello friends, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a wonderful story that will teach us something very special. Gather around and let's begin. Once upon a time, nestled in a peaceful village, surrounded by vast, sun-kissed fields, lived a wise old farmer with his 3 sons. The farmer was a diligent man who had toiled his entire life, but his sons were quite the opposite. They were lazy and preferred to spend their days arguing or napping under the cool shade of a large tree rather than lending a hand on the farm. As the years passed, the old farmer became frail and unwell. A deep worry settled in his heart. "What will become of my sons when I am no longer here?" he often thought to himself. "They haven't learned the value of hard work. How will they survive?" He knew he had to teach them a lesson they would never forget, a lesson that would secure their future. One sunny afternoon, feeling his strength fading, the farmer called his 3 sons to his bedside. He gathered what little energy he had left and spoke in a soft, raspy voice. "My dear sons," he began, his voice filled with love and concern, "I have a secret to share with you. Buried somewhere in our fields lies a hidden treasure. It is a great fortune, enough to last you a lifetime. If you dig for it diligently, I promise you will find it." The sons' eyes grew wide with excitement and greed. A hidden treasure. The thought of instant riches filled their minds. They eagerly promised their father they would start searching immediately and unearth this fantastic fortune. They could already imagine a life of luxury without any work. True to their word, the very next morning, the 3 brothers grabbed their shovels and headed to the fields. With dreams of gold and jewels dancing in their heads, they began to dig. They dug with a fervor they had never shown before, turning over every inch of soil from sunrise until the sun dipped below the horizon. Day after day, they toiled, their hands blistering and their backs aching. They dug up the entire expanse of their land, leaving no stone unturned. But all they found were rocks, wriggly worms, and lots of mud. There was no chest, no gold, no treasure at all. Exhausted and utterly disappointed, they returned to their father. "Father," they complained, "we dug up every single part of the field, but there is no treasure to be found." The old farmer simply gave them a gentle, knowing smile. "Well done, my sons," he said weakly. "Now that the field is so nicely tilled, why don't you sow some seeds? It would be a shame to let all that hard work go to waste." Though confused, the sons decided to follow their father's advice. They planted rows upon rows of seeds, watered them carefully, and tended to the young sprouts every single day. They protected the plants from pests and weeds, working together for the first time in their lives. Weeks turned into months, and a miraculous transformation took place. Their once empty field was now a breathtaking sea of golden crops, swaying gracefully in the breeze and glistening under the warm sun. The sons stood at the edge of the field, staring in awe. They couldn't believe their eyes. This magnificent harvest, this bounty of gold, was the result of their own sweat and effort. When the crops were ready for harvest, the old farmer, filled with pride, looked at his sons and said, "My sons, look at this beautiful harvest. This is the treasure I wanted you to find." He pointed to the golden fields. "The true treasure is not buried in the ground. It is the reward of your own hard work. Remember this always. There is no substitute for honest effort in working together. That is the greatest wealth you can ever possess." At that moment, everything clicked into place for the brothers. They finally understood their father's wisdom. With tears of gratitude in their eyes, they hugged him tightly. From that day forward, they were never lazy again. They worked together on the farm, living a happy and prosperous life, forever cherishing the most important lesson their father had taught them. And the moral of our story is that hard work always pays off. The real treasures in life aren't things you find by luck, but the rewards you earn through your own effort and teamwork. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.